triangle ABC has coordinates A 0L, B K0, C negative K0. Prove that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So first we will put our 3 points to xy plane. Y-axis and x-axis. We have that point A has coordinates 0L. First is 0. It means that this point is on the y-axis. Let's put that here is our point A. First coordinate is 0 and second is L. Next we have point B, K0. So this point is on the x-axis because the second coordinate is 0. Let's put that here will be our point B, K small and 0. And point C has coordinates negative K0. It means that point C is symmetrical about y-axis and point C has negative K0 coordinates. So now if we connect these 3 points A, B, C, we have triangle. We have to prove that triangle ABC is isosceles. We know that isosceles triangle has at least 2 congruent sides. So we have to show that 2 sides of this triangle are congruent because we have that point C is symmetric to point B about y-axis. So we will show that AC is congruent to AB. So we have to find the distance between these 2 points, AC and AB. So let's find first AC is equal. Let me remind you formula when you have 2 points. First point is x1, y1 and second point has coordinates x2, y2. The formula for the distance, let's put that this is point K, this is L. The distance between K and L is equal square root of x2 minus x1 to second power plus y2 minus y1 to second power. So we will use this formula to find the distance between AC and AB. So we have square root and first we have to subtract, the C is the last, so will be negative K minus 0 to the second power plus, and the second coordinates is 0 minus L to second power. So this is equal square root of negative K to second power is K square plus negative L to second power is L square. We have AC. Now we have to find AB. AB is equal square root of, and B is the last point, so B minus 0, K minus 0 to second power plus 0 minus L to second power. So this is equal square root of K square plus L square. This was formula for the distance. So we got that AB is equal to AC. So because these two sides are equal, it means that our triangle is isosceles triangle. This is my solution.